Welcome all. Hope all of you are doing well and safe. This video is for those who want to learn Linux. Next command is mkdir. This command is used to create directories. So to create a directory, you have to give mkdir space directory name. Press ls. So it's created a dir1 as a directory. So to see properly, see this is the directory, and you see here it is showing as a D. D means it's a directory. So there is no D means it's a file. So if you see others, these are all files. Okay. This is a directory. So by seeing this data here, we can identify whether it is file or a directory. So now we have created a dir1. You can also create multiple directories at a time. I'm giving mkdir space dir2 space dir3 space dir4 space dir5 and see what will happen. Funnel. So we have created a 4 directories. So now totally we have 5 directories: dir1, dir2, dir3, dir4, dir5. Yeah, these 5 directories. So we can create a single directory or we can create a multiple directories at a time. And if you want to go to the directory, you have to give cd. It means change directory, and we have to give the directory name to which directory we want to change. So before that, we will see in which directory we are currently in. pwd, we are under /home/Hari. So now if you want to move to any directory, we have to give cd command space directory name. So for example, we'll give direct1. So if you give cd space direct dir1, we will change from the current directory to dir1 directory. See, now we are in dir directory. To verify that, again we will give pwd. So now earlier we were in a /home/Hari. Now we are in /home/Hari. Inside that dir1. And if you see for any content, so there is no content, there is no files, so there is no directories. So we'll create one more subdirectory, mkdir directory name subdirectory1. See, we have one directory. Similar way, we will create some file. To create a file, we'll use va command and file name log, switch to insert mode, copying some content, pasting it here. Save ls. Now we have one directory and one file. So content also available in that file. Now we are in directory 1. If you want to go to subdirectory again, use cd space subdirectory. Now we enter to subdirectory 1. Now we are in home/hurry/dir1/subdirectory. If you want to go to home directory, you give cd press enter, you will go to home directory. Home directory is /home/hurry. Again, if you want to go to the previous directory, cd space cd hyphen cd space hyphen. So again we entered to previous directory which we were earlier in. We'll go to previous directory which we were in earlier. If you want to switch one directory back, if you give cd space dot, we'll move one directory back. That is, from earlier we were in subdirectory 1. Now we moved out of subdirectory 1 and we are currently in directory 1. Earlier we are in the directory of subdirectory 1. We came out from that. So now we are in parent directory of subdirectory 1. Next is cp. cp command is used to copy files and directories. If you want to take a backup of any file, we have to use cp space file name which we need to take backup. Give a new name. I'm giving date along with the file name. Now if you see ls-l, you have created the copy of temp file. To verify that, cat same content available. So we took the backup of temp.log file by using copy cp command. And we can also copy the content to directory. For example, if you want to here, we are copying these two files to subdirectory. So if you press enter, if you see ls-l, two files are there, but we can see the copy of these two files in subdirectory 1. So if we move to subdirectory, we have to give cd command. If we go to subdirectory, ESLSFNLRT, see, we have a copy of those two files here. I'm going back to the parent directory of subdirectory 1. To do that, we have to give cd space dot dot, so it will go back to one directory. We can also create a copy of a directory, cp space subdirectory. You're giving, I have to give -r. So now we have created a copy of subdirectory 1 as a subdirectory 2. If you see, we have two directories. Earlier we have subdirectory 1. Now we have created a copy of subdirectory 1 with the name of subdirectory 2. So if you enter to subdirectory 2, you can see the same content which is available in subdirectory 1. Same files. And if you want to create a copy of those files again, you can create a copy of those files. Now I have created more files, the copy of a temp.log, which we can use in further sessions.